If you are a UPSC aspirant, do not miss this video out. Today I'm going to tell you top 5 news from the Indian Express newspaper. It's 28th April. Come, let's have a look. The news is Kashmir rail link freight movement picks up. Now this cement and cars coming up in and apple baskets going out. Freight supplies hit high gear on Kashmir's rail link. Increased cargo movement is happening. Cement cars apple in Kashmir Valley after winter slowdown. Railways boosting logistics and supply chains. Now why it matters? Because it enhances the regional connectivity and economic integration, helps the farmers, apple exporters and reduces transport costs. This becomes highly relevant for GS paper 3 infrastructure and GS paper 3 economy, GS paper 3 internal security. The next news is 2611 plotter Tahavur Rana due medical procedure at AIIMS next week. Now this news particularly is not important, but the background is very important. Tahavur Rana to go undergo medical procedure in AIIMS linked to 2008 Mumbai attacks. Now why it matters? Because current update is procedural but background is significant. It is highly important for prelims also, facts about 2611, and for GS paper 3 internal security and GS paper 2 international relations also this becomes highly important. Going forward to the third news, that is New Delhi declaration in the works for upcoming international summit on conservation of big cats. Now India is working a global declaration to conserve 7 big cats. The 7 big cats are tiger, lion, leopard, cheetah, snow leopard, puma and jaguar. And why it matters? Because this trend is biodiversity conservation, shows India's leadership in environmental diplomacy. This becomes highly important for prelims, species in news, conservation status, and for mains also GS paper 3 environment, GS paper 2 international relations also. Then we have West Asia war disrupts circuit board supply chain. Now conflict in West Asia is going on, as we all know. Now it is affecting printed circuit board PCB and supply chains. Global electronics industry facing disruptions. Why it matters? Because this highlights fragility of global supply chains, impacts India's manufacturing ecosystem. It is linked to Make in India production linked incentive scheme. Now this becomes highly important for prelims and for mains GS paper 2 international relations and GS paper 3 economy and technology. The last news is where fossil fuel shocks hurt India's farms. Now, rising fuel prices, increasing cost of farming in India impacts irrigation, transport and fertilizers. Why it matters? Because it reduces farmer income, shows dependency on fossil fuels. This is linked to PM Kusum scheme. Do remember this. And this becomes highly important for prelims and for GS paper 3 economy and GS paper 3 agriculture and GS paper 3 environment sustainability as well. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.